welcome back to day 2 of hashtag Summerina, where I will be uploading videos every single day of this week, and it's gonna be entertaining, it's gonna be affordable recommendations, and it's gonna be fun really. So don't mind subscribing and hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. With that being said, today's video is everything about perfumes. Now in no way, shape or form am I an expert. If anything, I've learned over the course of time with trial and error, and I'm still learning about what kind of perfumes I enjoy. I do have a good combination of all sorts of fragrances, I believe, and these are all under a budget, and these do work well, these do perform well for the price that you're paying for. Now in no way, shape or form are these going to last on yourself for like 8 hours or 12 hours. That's not the kind of claims I'm going to make in these videos. These perfumes overall have a really decent staying power, which I would say about 5 hours. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Okay, now this is not going to be in any particular order, but the first one that I have is something I recently discovered, and it's kind of like my current go-to summer fragrance, and that is actually from the house of Miniso. So this is the Miniso Body Summer Night Mist. You get a really big bottle for just rupees 260, I believe, and this is really affordable. And beyond it all, if I have to explain the scent of this, I really enjoy this because this is truly summer to me. Like, it smells a lot like citrus, but still a little strong, a little mature, and it's a perfect night fragrance. I truly feel the best explanation of this perfume is a summer night scent. Like, think of a beach, think of you being on the beach by yourself, because COVID, hello. So by yourself at the beach at night, gazing at the stars, you know, the vibe, the mood. This is the mood. This is a mood in a nutshell. In terms of the longevity of this, now I will say that if you spritz, because it says it's a body mist, right? So to me, it's like it's okay to spritz on the skin as well, which I do tend to. So on the skin, it lasts about 3 to 4 hours, which is really not bad. But at the same time, if you spritz this directly onto your clothing, which, I mean, there are people who say you shouldn't, but then there are who say you should. Like, it depends what kind of school of thought you believe in. But if you do mist this on the clothing, then it will last you for a solid 5 hours. Now the initial first 3 hours would be like really strong, really like vibrant, not strong in like a negative way, but more like a vibrant scent. Obviously you can always remist it. I mean, that's something I tend to do. I really enjoy the scent so much. Yeah, this is definitely like my go-to scent at the moment, and I like how affordable this is. I like how cute looking this is, and just everything about this perfume. I feel this will win a lot of hearts. Alright, next up on the list, I have a perfume which honestly is like my hands down signature favorite perfume, and I'm so glad that this is affordable, and also it's so freaking cute looking. And I'm talking to you about the Yardley Autumn Bloom. Now the top notes of this are definitely more apple, rose, sandalwood for sure, and amber. Those were all of the tone descriptions I found on the internet, but with personal experiences I can vouch that all of these fragrances are very beautifully merged in together, and this perfume is absolutely phenomenal. It's one of those drugstore perfumes. When you put it on, people are going to ask you what's on your body, what do you smell like. It's very sophisticated. It's just one of those that I feel everyone must give it a sniff. Definitely get your hands on it, and also the very fact that it is so inexpensive. It's just for rupees 300, and also the bottle. Oh my god, the bottle! I mean, that's not really a criteria to buy a perfume, but then is it not? I don't know. Speak for yourself. But the perfume and the deo, oh my god, you're gonna smell amazing. Now in terms of the longevity of the product, it will straight up last you for a solid 4 to 5 hours, and I'm not even stretching 5. It's gonna be there for like good 4 to 5 hours, and it's gonna smell amazing. Okay, next up on the list is again my current obsession and something I reach out to. If it's not the body mist, it's definitely this perfume, because both of these are always on my vanity. This is the Body Cupid's Secret Love. Like, can you see how much of this perfume I have already used? That is how much I love this. This is amazing. And also, first of all, can we just take a moment and appreciate the packaging? I mean, look at the packaging. It is so luxurious. Like, it's so clean. There are no unnecessary labels going around the bottle. This is a little tricky territory because the MRP of this is rupees 800, but trust me, you should never be buying this for rupees 100, because Body Cupid's is always on lightning discount on Amazon. for 50% off straight up. And I have two of the Body Cupid's perfume. I have this one, and then I have the Aqua variant, I believe. Now the Aqua variant is more like summer again. It's very oceany smelling, and it's a little too strong for my personal taste. That's something my mom really enjoys. Now this is a very fruity scent. Like, this is straight up your summer in a bottle. To me, this is like a bowl straight up of fruits. It's so citrusy, it's so juicy, it's just so sweet. I am obsessed with sweet fragrances. Vanilla is something I'm really getting into these days, but I haven't yet found the quite right vanilla perfume just yet. I'm looking out for it. But yeah, with that being said, so far I'm really digging into this one. So if you are into fruity scents, you should definitely give this a try. And also, I feel out of all of the ones that I will be sharing with you today, this is the most feminine kind of a perfume. It's very like elegant and like, ooh, me, I am very mellow like that. What are you talking? I am not obnoxiously loud. You know, it's one of the it's just one of those scents, like, you know, if scents could talk, that is how your personality would resemble to others. But then if you open your mouth, then yeah, it's game over. But until then, this perfume can make you look sophisticated and make you sound like all mellow and just like, oh my god, she's here, she's poised. Alright, next time on the list I have is a perfume which was actually my last year's summer fragrance, and I am crazy how affordable this is. And it's by the house of Layer. It's from the Layer Water Girl Secret Crush variant, and oh my god, it is so freaking good. Now this particular body mist is a great example of a pretty balanced fruity and flowery scent. Like, it has the best of both, and it has the right notes in it. It's just absolutely, you know, like a sunshine morning fragrance. So it has a nice balance and a nice mixture and a twist of both, and I really enjoyed. Usually I would at first really be hesitant towards florally scents, but this was something different. Like, I absolutely enjoyed this. In terms of the longevity, to be honest, this is not the most long lasting one. I will say this lasted about 3 hours, 3 to 4 at max. But again, it was so inexpensive that I didn't mind using it every couple of hours. It was, if anything, fun. And while we're at the topic of Layer Water Girl, I do know for a matter of fact they do have a vanilla twist variant. I've been dying to try it out in stores, but it's always out of stock, and online I'm just not sure if it's going to be just the right amount of vanilla as I would prefer it to be. However, there's this other Layer Water Girl variant, which is the Madras Marinas. I really don't know where I'm going with this, but there's this particular variant right on the screen. Oh my god, I sniffed it at the store and I wanted to get it. I really wanted to get it. The only reason I did not is because he had the tester only. But trust me, if you can, try all of these 3 variants and see what works for you. And lastly, we have the showstopper of this video, because this perfume is literally for ₹100, and do not underestimate it because it is just for ₹100. This is by the house of Ramson, and it is their You Are Sweet variant. Now this is straight up floral, but not in the most obnoxious way. If anything, this is a really sophisticated scent, and it does last on your body for solid 2 to 3 hours. I will not say it lasts for any longer than that. But it's just so freaking affordable. It's so tiny, and as you can see, I've completely emptied this. And to be honest, it's not me, it's my mom. She really digs into those kind of strong florally scents, and it's just that. It's just exactly that. Now I do know they have a lot of other variants in this. I'm really excited to try the pink variant, because I believe the pink variant is going to be a little fruity, so I'm really excited about that. So yes, I really hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. As you know, I will be uploading every single day of this week. It would really mean a lot if you could just hit the subscribe button and help me grow our community. You can also follow me on my Instagram, the links to which will be in the description. I'm really also very active on Snapchat, so if you still use it, you can definitely follow me there as well. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to keep smiling, and I'm coming at you right back tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.